Patrick from the Grand Ho Tram Strip. Patrick, you've just picked up the award of Vietnam's Best Golf Hotel. How does it feel to have won a prestigious World Golf Award?
It's fantastic to be here on behalf of our ownership to win this award. Our resort is going from strength to strength. We've got a great golf course, great hotel with a great casino, and it's an honour to be here. Thank you very much.
Well, a big thank you for joining us, a big congratulations, and we wish you every continued success.
Thanks a lot. Cheers.